Market update time, let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through the top success mindset trading techniques to really help you move forward. You know that most of your trading success comes from your mindset. So click on the button above that says success mindset to get access to this video right now. All right. Firstly, I want to share with you what I saw in Bitcoin and how that relates to silver and gold. But firstly, let me just share what I see in the markets. Let me just quickly bring up these here. Basically, let me just open this chart right up. You can see the Dow Jones, pretty much a nothing day. Down the bottom here, this chart down the bottom here, guys, this is the Nasdaq, pretty much a nothing day as well. Bottom right hand chart, you can see this is actually starting to fail through here as well too, which is the IWM. That's actually the trade that I'm on as well. And yes, I still am short on that particular trade. You know, you guys know that, right? I've still got put options on this one, so let's just see what happens June, January. I've still got another probably 4 weeks worth of that option to go. So interesting 4 weeks. Oh my goodness, what if it loses? Oh well, my count's down, I think 1 or 2%, maybe 3% including brokerage. How about that? How about that for you, for those apples? And the Dow Jones, you can see, is just a small little down day, pretty much nothing day across the board with the markets. But what I want to share with you guys is something that I'm seeing just taken absolutely off. Just, you know, this market is exploding. Oh, yeah, exploding. And that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has just absolutely gone nuts. And the really interesting thing is a guy named Cliff High. He was actually saying probably back in June and July, August, around June, July, that he expected the market, he expected Bitcoin to just take off. Now, a really interesting fact that Cliff High actually said, and I was listening to what he was saying. He actually said what we can expect from Bitcoin. Now his timing was off. Yes, he thought it was going to happen in August, but as you can see, he said what's going to happen in Bitcoin. We're going to take off, and then we're just going to start to crawl up. That's what he said, and as you can see, that's exactly what was going to happen. Now again, he said I think it was around July, August. He thought it was going to happen, but it didn't actually happen until like November. So his timing was off. But what he said is exactly correct. With the market's the Bitcoin's going to take off, and then it's going to start to crawl up like that. And so he was absolutely right. And right now today, Bitcoin is up close to a bit over 3.5%. Just absolutely, just as you can see, just taken off 810. And if I squeeze my chart up, let's go to the weekly chart here. You can actually see that looks like we're on our way to 1,000 on Bitcoin, looking really, really, really strong here, as you can see. So Bitcoin is taking off. Now the reason why I bring that up, guys, is because if Cliff High is right, then what's going to happen is Bitcoin takes off, and then that drags silver and gold up as well too. It drags silver and gold up. So this is the silver and gold chart. Let me just take everything off the screen here because there's lots of boxes and stuff here. So he's so if he's right about his analysis, Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up, then suddenly silver goes up. Silver just starts to go up, and what also happens is gold starts to go up as well too. So they all start to really rise massively within that. So it's really interesting to see the correlation between that, guys. So just a quick little update. Nothing across the board. Bit of a slight down day on silver. Same with gold as well too. If I go down to gold, there's the gold chart, pretty much a nothing day on gold as well too. Pretty much a sideways day. Does it drop down through here and continue this slow step down, or do we basically continue this downward channel, or do we start to jump out of this and start to rally out? Really interesting times. And as I said before, on silver as well, we had this previous support level. This was this box through here, guys, and I know it looks quite weird, but this box through here. This level, actually, you know what? Let me just squeeze this up. As you can see, this bottom box area, that's a major level of support and resistance. That's where we're at right now. And this bottom box here is where it actually found previous support as well too. So, you know, looking at the indicators once again, guys, I was talking about the indicators yesterday. Looking at the indicators as well too, and let me squeeze this chart right up. You can actually see that looks like we're getting ready for, you know, we could be getting ready for a turning point real soon in the market. So, but it has broken down and it has actually been rejecting this level. The first thing I want to see is I want to see silver close back above. Let's see here. I want to see once silver closes back above 1630. If that happens in the next couple of days, then this is going to be a short-term little bottom, and I believe we're going to start to rally back up to 18, and maybe even continue back up to new highs. With what I'm seeing here, but if we do get a close back above that, as I said before, that probably 1630. You know what? Let's actually just make it a definite 1640. $16.40. If we get a close back above that, that's going to show a short-term bottom here. And what I'm seeing on my indicators and what I'm seeing on this overall market, I think we're likely to get a rise out of silver. So, once again, guys, Bitcoin taking off. If Cliff High is right, silver's next to take off. If that's the case, look for a close back above 1640. Once that happens, we should see a rise in silver. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.